We find the value of 1 upon a first. 1 upon 3 plus under root a. Now rationalize the denominator of the given fraction 3 minus under root a upon 3 minus under root a. That's equal to 3 minus root a upon 9 minus 8 equal to 3 minus root 8. So the value of a equal to equal to 3 plus root 2 and the value of 1 upon a equal to 3 minus under root a. So we find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. Now value of a 3 plus under root a whole square and the value of 1 upon a 3 minus under root a whole square. That we simplify the value of this to get 9 plus 8 plus 6 under root 8 plus 9 plus 8 minus 6 under root 8. So 6 root 8 and 6 root 8 be cancelled and to get the value of 34. So therefore the value of a square plus 1 upon a square plus 1 upon a square equal to 34. Clear? Now once again we repeat that if a equal to 3 plus root 8, find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. First we find the value of 1 upon a. 1 upon a equal to 1 upon 3 plus root 8 into 3 minus root 8 and 3 minus root 8. This is the rationalization of denominator. Denominator is 3 plus root 8. So that's equal to 3 minus root 8 upon 9 minus 8 equal to 3 minus root 8. And we substitute the value of a square and 1 upon a square and we get the result of 34. Clear? Now the next question next question if 4 plus 3 root 5 upon 4 minus 3 root 5 equal to a plus b root 5. If a and b are a rational number, if a and b are a rational number, then 4 plus 3 root 5 upon 4 minus 3 root 5 equal to a plus b root 5. Find the value of a and b. So rationalize the denominator of left side of the fraction. Now rationalize the denominator 4 plus 3 root 5 and 4 plus 3 root 5. 4 plus 3 root 5. So 16 plus 45 plus 24 under root 5 upon 16 minus 45 and the same number are added and the denominator be written as 61 plus 24 under root 5 upon minus 29. Now separating each other. So minus 61 upon 29 minus 24 upon 29 under root 5 equal to a plus b under root 5. Now compare the number from left hand side to the right hand side. That we get a equal to minus 61 upon 29 and b equal to minus 24 upon 29. If first we select the rationalization of denominator, first we select the rationalization of denominator of given any fraction, that we simplify to get the result, and the result we separating and compare the number from left side to the right side and we get the result. Clear? Next. Find 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 2 by 3. Find the 5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. First, we simplify that, now maintaining the denominator. So, the denominator are different. Now taken the LCM to same as the denominator. So 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. The denominator as 15. That is 9 upon 15 and 15, it is 10 upon 15. In both number, the denominator are different. So, we maintain the denominator as equal. Then we take the LCM of the denominator to maintain the denominators are equal. And find the value of 5 rational number between these numbers. So we multiply 6 in the numerator as well as denominator. Multiply 6 in the numerator as well as denominator, and 10 multiply 6 upon 15 multiply 6. 54 upon 90 and 60 upon 90. The number between these these number 54 and 60. So the number 55 upon 90, 56 upon 90, 57 upon 90, 58 upon 90 and 59 upon 90 are the 5 rational numbers between the given number. 55 by 90, 56 by 90, 57 by 90, 58 by 90 and 59 by 90. All these numbers are the 5 rational numbers between the two numbers. Clear? Okay. Simplify 64 power 1 by 3. 64 power 1 by 3. Now we factorize the 64 to 32, 2, 16, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 and 2, 1. So this is the factorization of 64. Now 64 can be written as 2 power 6 power 1 by 3 and 2 power 6 into 1 by 3. So 2 power 2, that's equal to 4. This is simplified to that the number of this. Clear? Next question. Simplify 3 power 2 by 3 into 7 power 2 by 3. Now the question is this: the base of 3 and 7 and the exponent is 2 by 3. The exponent is same and the base is different. Exponent is same and the base is different. So it can be written as 3 into 7 power 2 by 3 and 21 power 2 by 3. 21 power 2 by 3. So this is the simplification of the given number. This is the simplification of the given number. Clear? 5 power, next question, 5 power 1 by 3 and 5 power 1 by 6. Now simplify that. So 5 power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. That's equal to 5 power 6, 2 minus 1. Therefore 5 power 1 by 6. This is the simplification of given fraction. Clear? Okay, thank you.